is going. Murray 16.5. Overhead valve. Electronic fuel injector. And a Murray 13.5 turbo. We're going to be getting a cold start on these two fine ass mowers today. And I'll show you the temperature. Let's go look at the thermometer. We're getting there. It's right now, it's like 16. But we'll see. Alright, so if you see here, it's about 34 degrees. Primer. We'll prime the carburetor. Fire it up. Check out this electrical panel. Just put a little bit in. Crank it up. Choke it. Alright, we're gonna be cold starting this one now. My brother uses a certain kind of primer. I don't know what it is, but just put a little bit in. Helps it start. Alright. Give us some cranking, boys! Might need rings. Maybe some rings. Ooh. Yeah. Needs rings, valves, you know, piston, all that. But yeah, man, that's our cold start. Let's go. Bye. Lawnmower. Thing's freaking hard. Well, it was smoking pretty bad. So, I'm gonna clean out the engine. Sorry, I got a bug in my throat. I'm gonna clean it out with some Dawn dish soap. Original scent, so we'll do that. This stupid piece of garbage tractor is a whore! Jesus! Alright, let's start it up. The trick with this, first, you want to start it, and then secondly, you pour this in. But we'll fire it up. Look at all that smoke! really backfiring anymore. It used to backfire whenever I idle it down. It's not doing that. Just a little bit, but and then, once this is all done, you can usually start it up better. But first, I gotta add a little into my oil to really make sure it's consistent. So, take this cap off here. Make sure you stick it right in the dirt. Dump a little cleaner solvent. Okay. Maybe a piece of grass just to grind everything up. Then, make sure this is all lathered up with dirt. Then wipe it off so there's no dirt. It's good for your engine. Shove the grass in there. Cap it up. Start it back up. You don't want to rev it up after you've done this step. You'll destroy the engine. It's not happy with me. No more backfiring, man. Perfect remedy, boys.